Oh man, I'm so disappointed. It's raining outside. I hate that. And nothing to show for but wood. I'm so disappointed. Maybe I should stay home and work out. Oh boy! I am really disappointed because it's raining outside. I am not a happy camper at all. Not at all. I wish it wasn't raining outside so I could go to the gym, but I guess that doesn't matter because I got equipment home and I could go to the gym here where I'm at. Mm, that'll be fine. So, but it's just a big disappointment. Oh my god, I cannot. Oh, Jesus. This is so sad. Hmm. Some changes. Now, the reason I'm doing that is because every time I talk on scope, it seems like I don't know. It seems kind of weird. Hello, Nestle. How are you, sir? I'm disappointed because I'm not going to the gym. It's raining outside. Kind of bummed out. Hopefully, I'll go to the gym later when it stops raining. Or Mario, mami, ¿cómo está? Buenos días. Buenos días, mamá. You know what I'm gonna do? Aw, hey, love. Te quiero mucho, mami. I'm gonna go to Dominican Republic next year to see my niece and my sister because I have a baby sister and I have a baby niece. The weird thing, Mariel, is that my baby sister and my baby niece, they both have the same first names, not just the same last names. Yeah, I need to go see them. They have the both same. They have both first names and last names. The only difference is that my baby sister has a middle name. That's the only difference. But they both have the same names, and they both are in the same age. Oh my god, that's so ridiculous. So ridiculous. That's why my family gets confusing every day. I'm just happy I'm not another name after my father. My name is William, and hey, what's up? My name is William, and my brother's name is Eddie, Eduardo, just like my father, because my father's name is Eduardo. My brother, my half brother, who has the baby, his name is Eduardo the Third. Eduardo the Third, but his name is actually Hector Eduardo the Third. So I'm like, oh my god, this is insane. I'm glad my name is William. I'm so glad my name is William. Sí, yo habla español. Yo habla Mi español it's alright. I grew up speaking English. Oh, I didn't get a chance to see your pics on Instagram of the volcanoes or something, but hopefully I'll see them soon. I'm laughing so hard. This water aerobic instructors. Oh, really? The water aerobic instructors? Nice. Buenos dias, buenita. Good morning, gorgeous. How are you, be gorgeous? Good morning. You did? Oh my god. Oh wow. I should check it out. I should definitely check it out. So there's been so much drama last night. Oh my god, it's insane. He's yelling at these poor people. Swim! Come on, swim! Run for your life! Yeah. Run for your life! A shark is attacking you! Just pretend a shark is attacking you! Oh, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it, Nestle. I appreciate it. So there's been so much drama last night. I actually rescoped the drama. I was rescoping low scope, and then I was rescoping Steven scope. Hey, I want to quietly say you were right after our private conversation. Oh, about King? Yeah, you gotta be careful. Yeah, it's too much drama. I really pay attention. I'm observing Periscope very, very thoroughly. I'm really observing Periscope very thoroughly. I've been telling people that this is film material, and I told people that in 2017 after the New Year's. Yeah, it is raining over here. It is raining. I'm not sure if it's still raining, but yeah, it is raining. You're very welcome, sweetie. You're very welcome. I would never associate with him at all. I would never in my life associate with him at all. I just feel really bad for a very, very sweet lady that met up with him. I just feel really bad for her. But you know what? It happens. And my friend Fleo, she's very sweet. She's a very sweet girl. She actually hooked up with King. Yeah. So, I mean, I'm not sure what happened, but other than that, it's what I've been reading in the comments, and people find it entertaining. It's just really sad. I even told my friend who is a scoper. I just texted her telling her to, don't ever meet up with him. I don't want you to be tossed around emotionally. Well, you save more women, KK. Aw, aw, thank you. Well, I try my best. I think what I'm starting to notice on Periscope is that there's a game going on in Periscope, like which hot girl you could sleep with, and all that stuff. Jesus Christ, my mom came downstairs. Shh. Good morning, man. Well, it's raining outside, so I was gonna go to the gym, but it's raining. Yeah. No, my mom doesn't want to be on camera. She's a very private person. Are you going upstairs? Okay. I'll let her know you said hi. Oh, I thought you left, man. I can't be on scope and you down here at the same time. That's awkward. Well, for me at least. Okay, man, I love you. They love you too, Mom. See that? You hear that? Mom loves you. That's enough, tough mother. Behave yourself. My mother doesn't deserve that. You know what, tough mother? You deserve a timeout. Talking about my mother like that. How dare you, tough mother? I unmuted you, dude, and he left. You're on time out. Yeah, I'm gonna dance for you really soon, sweetie. I'm gonna dance for you really soon. I got you, baby girl. I got you, mami. Yo me tengo tú. Tú soy mi corazón. Yo tengo. Te quiero mucho, mamá. Yeah. Your body is fit, dude. Aw, thank you, Joe. I appreciate it. Do you know what I hate? Waiting for the cable man to show up. Damn, dude, you waiting for Jim Carrey? What the fuck? I hate that shit too. Well, I mean, I've been doing martial arts since I was 12 years old. So, but yeah, I do karate. I do karate. Fuck. Yes. Hold on. Let's I'm gonna rescope him. I'm gonna rescope him. Hold on. I'm gonna rescope him. We're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna do like a triple rescope.
But Will's grounded. What's up, Katana? What's up, Queen? Aaron, what's going on? I just wanted to come on here and tell Will he's grounded since you muted me. You're grounded, Will.
Oh, yeah? How you doing, mother?
What's that?
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you, son?
Yeah, I'm doing great, Dad.
I'm sorry, I couldn't resist.
Yeah, it's cool. So, what are you doing today?
I'm working.
Oh, nice.
How about you?
I'm gonna be dancing for a very special Chica Sexy in Periscope.
Who?
Never mind who. Well,
you're gonna do a public scope for her, right? So I'm gonna find out eventually.
Yeah, all you have to know is she got sexy.
She got sexy? Okay.
She got sexy, yeah.
Like she wasn't sexy and then she became sexy, or she's gonna get some sexy. What's up, Rose?
I like calling her Chica Sexy because she's Dominican. I'm Dominican.
Yeah, was she hideous before and now she's sexy? Is this like what was that movie?
Yeah,
with the girl who was like in the suspenders and then she got asked to the dance or something.
I don't know.
What's up, Janice? I saw Churchy, yes, and I wasn't impressed. So crafty. So who is it? Just say who it is. If we're going to do the scope for it, everybody's going to find out anyway.
It starts with an M. It rhymes with aria.
Karia?
Yes, that's who I'm dancing for.
Who is it? It rhymes with aria. It starts with an M. Is it Marielle?
There you go.
Oh, okay.
You're smarter. You're smarter than what I thought.
Don't get that. Don't let that get around. What's up, Armo? It's because you never call in.
Yeah.
What's up, Hatfish? What
you
time
have
is this gonna
33. You have 32 views or 30 views.
31. I don't know what to do. Dommy, what's up, buddy?
Wow, that's awesome, dude. You're so popular.
Will, have you fixed the waxing? Oh yeah. What? Did you fix your chest?
Yeah, my chest is great.
Is it? You didn't get the rest of the wax, did you?
I so do have the song picked out.
Oh, okay. So what time is this going to happen at?
I gotta do a lot of stretching. I really don't know.
What kind of dancing are you doing? You gotta do a lot of stretching.
The lambada. I don't know.
The lambada? I don't know what that is.
It's the forbidden dance. How can you not know that?
Oh, because I'm Irish.
Fucking Irish.
The lambada sounds like some drink I'd get at a Mexican bar. I'll take the lambada, please. Extra tequila. I'm
gonna dance the Irish coffee for you.
Please do, yes, please. The Bailey's Irish cream dance. I would like that very much. What's up, Mariah?
So,
I'm too white for lambada.
I like your wall, man.
Thanks. Do you like that wall?
Yeah, you got a nice looking wall.
It's my whiskey.
I mean, I got a blue wall. Oh,
flowers.
The whiskey. Right.
Picture of me and Barbie.
Nice.
A bird. Flowers. A vase.
Right.
Candles.
Oh, wow.
More whiskey. Some liquor.
Nice.
Birdhouse. Another birdhouse.
I am losing so much views.
It's OBS. Crafty. This is all computer generated. Marielle, unless you want to be completely creeped out, no. No, not at all. At least there's no 100 Ds pick like villains. What's the 100 Ds pick? Is that like 100 penises? Unless you never want to see anybody dance again, ever.
Yeah, you do look a little bit like Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Thank you. Usually when I have my my goatee, and it's not as gray.
To me, you look like Mr. Clean, but yeah, you do kind of got the whoop ass can whooping or whatever.
Open the whole open a can of whoop ass thing going for me.
Yes.
What? I'm trying to find a cup I can rest my phone on. Will, is it true that you promised to twerk on Armo's birthday?
Yeah, sure. I could do a twerk.
There you go. Shotgun a beer.
Does he want a banana show too?
I don't think I want to know anything about the banana show. You can do that in private scope. Oh, you eat bananas for
scoping your scope.
It's because Will wants numbers, that's why. Will knows the king of numbers on here.
I don't have numbers. I only have 9.
It's all about the numbers. 30. It's not about entertaining people. It's about how many people you can get into your scope.
You have more numbers than me. I don't have shit. It's not about numbers, dude. It's about your beautiful face.
Oh, go on.
It's about the Stone Cold Steve Austin lookalike.
I love Crafty, too. Crafty and her fiery bananas. That's right. If you don't get numbers, just start talking about somebody.
It's not quality.
Okay, let's talk about Taz Bat to Spaz. Let's see who this is. Taz Bat to Spaz, welcome to the butthole. A monkey tunnel, what are you talking about?
Man, what's up with that dude, man? Oh, sweet tooth looking ass.
Who?
Boy looking ass.
Which, that guy up there?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Yeah,
Will. He's a martial artist.
Yeah, can you see my teeth?
Yeah, I can see your fucking teeth. They're like Waller's.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
I feel kind of violated that you brought up my teeth.
Oh yeah.
Are you a
Can't miss
dentist?
them like
Well, my phone is there.
Are you a dentist?
Yeah, I'm a dentist.
So how long? So basically, you're a dentist, but you steal people's insurance, huh?
Oh, you know it. You don't have any, so I don't fix your broke ass.
Oh, very interesting.
Yeah, man.
So Taz, what's your deal? Tell us about you.
Man, I fucking work 24/7, 365.
What do you do?
Wait.
I'm a dentist.
Okay. Oh, Crafty wants to come in too. Hold on.
Yeah,
Let's
man.
invite Crafty. So you're a dentist. So where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Florida. From Pompano Beach.
Okay.
Oh wow, you're a dentist from Florida?
I live on 1800 block with Kodak.
What's up, Crafty?
I'm gonna get off of here. I just have one really quick question.
Yes,
What the hell?
Crafty.
What the hell is a walrus? Walrus? What is that? He didn't say that. He said walrus.
Yeah,
I don't know. Wallace?
Yeah.
Well, say it again. How do you say that?
Hey, Crab.
How do you say it?
Wallace.
Oh, okay, well, it's walrus.
No, it's Wallace.
No, it's walrus.
Wallace? He's got no walls?
No walrus. There's no such thing as walrus.
Walter?
Again, I'm Crafty.
He's got no. Are you saying he's got no walls?
Wallace.
He's Wallace?
All right, guys. Have a good morning. I'll see you later.
Good morning,
This guy's really not the sharpest tool in the shed, so we'll just kind of let him roll with it. Yes, sir.
Nah, you gotta go with the flow, Unc.
I'm going with the flow.
So you call him a punk, and you call him a punk, and you also call him the N-word?
I thought you just called me a punk. Punk?
No, I didn't call you punk, Unc. I said Unc.
Oh, Unc, okay.
Yeah.
I thought your voice sounded familiar.
You call him Uncle?
Yeah, that's my nephew, Taz, about to spaz.
Oh,
his mom is Felicia about to spaz.
Yeah.
Let's see what Sajuao wants. Hello, Sajuao.
Yeah,
he's not coming in here. He's Wallace. Well, Will, get some walls, will you?
Yeah,
please?
Wallace.
Hello, Sajuao.
Absolutely.
Sajuao. Hello? What can we do for you today? Welcome to the muddle. All right. What can we do for you today, sir?
Hello?
Yes. Hello. Hello. Welcome to the muddle.
Hi. Yeah, I can hear you. How are you? How are you doing?
Great. How are you, sir?
I'm also good.
What's up? Talk to me. Am I supposed to guess what's wrong with you? Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever worked a phone before?
What?
Have you ever worked a phone before? Because generally what happens is after I'm done talking, you talk into the phone.
No, actually, I do not understand your question.
I asked what your deal was. What's up with you? Tell us about you.
Actually, I'm graphic designer.
You're a clothes designer?
Graphic
designer. Okay. Well, I need a logo done for my company.
Oh, that's great. I can create a logo for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
All right. Cool.
Actually, I'm creating logo